This 2010 Four Winds International Chateau 25C is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Four Winds International is 27 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 6, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, skylight, leveling jacks, awning, microwave, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, and 40 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. This 2010 Four Winds International Chateau 25C is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.